Trying to get a jump on the Here we got some mountain bikers down here that are on the mountain bike trail. They are riding the chair up. Pretty soon they'll be making snow up here. It won't be that long. These long arms you see right there, that's what makes the snow. That sprays a mist of water out, and once the water comes out of that nozzle, it makes the snow. Now here's the amazing part. Once we get up here and we get up over top of this summit here, it gets windy, real windy. So I'm woo. There you got some tree damage over there. This is the snowboarders use these up here. They'll come down and they'll hit these ramps. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but the winds are just picking up now up here, and it got real windy. So that's over here is the north face of the slope. Woo! That got windy, real windy. Oh my! There's some of the houses over there. There's the top of the mountain. Beautiful view up here from the top of the mountain. There you got Seven Springs is a really beautiful place. Really, really nice. Now we're just going to stay on here and just go right around. Yeah, these down below freezing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's starting to clear up now.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Nice now.
85 miles across there.
Uh-huh.
There's like,
you
like 150 windmills down along the whole area.
Where do you see the windmills at?
You can see them sticking
now,
out over there.
Are we facing
east?
Oh, yeah, the windmills are out in Bedford. Yeah, yeah, there's the windmills right there. Yeah.
Somerset County, too.
Right, yeah, you can see the windmills in Bedford out there.
There's a big cluster of them right behind this tree here. Then there's
I can see the windmills.
You familiar with,
I live over there.
Yeah, Ship Hotel?
Yeah.
That's where those over there. That's Reels Corner.
Okay, that's Reels, okay.
There's 14 of them over there. That's where 30.
Yeah, there's Reels. Yeah, Reels has the windmills, and then right.
Frieden's is right in here. That's where those are.
Okay.
Where the old strip cuts were.
Right.
The first 6 right here were the first ones that come.
Okay.
That's around Somerset Industrial Park.
Right.
And then over here is where the...
Down by Rockwood.
Well, in that way, as well as Rockwood and Frieden's.
Okay.
Or Berlin.
Berlin, right.
Berlin, there's Garrett. There's another group down Garrett. Too,
right.
But the trees are high there.